music. To the music. It turned out to be food for the soul.
Suzanne missing. The police came out immediately.
Good morning. 7:20, and I'm taking Bianca to school. It's so freaking cold outside. Oh my gosh, the javelinas knocked over the trash can. Bro, you've got to be kidding me right now. What the fuck?
Can you redo my hair?
No.
Girl.
Oh, you want a race guy?
All the community people. She was like, Bianca? Oh my god, I know you. I was like,
What's wrong with that?
I was like, okay. And hi, Bianca. I was like, oh.
Okay, I love you. Have
Like,
a good
just
day.
because I'm grown, you're not gonna do my hair. Girl.
Chill out.
Girl.
Girl.
Oh my god, I need his pajama pants. I need you to buy me more pajama pants. Please.
This
What
one
are you
goes
doing?
back.
I don't want it hanging really.
Yeah, because it's gonna hang naturally as it goes. All right, I love you. Have a good day. You look cute. My eye keeps switching.
Mom.
Get out, Bianca. It looks good. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's a messy look for a reason.
It's a messy look for. It's a uneven look for some reason. Love you.
Love you. Bye. Oh, she didn't shut her door. Okay. Now I have to go pick up this damn trash.
I can be your third man dog, just a sentiment forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now. You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what it means.
Seems like a theme. What theme? What are you doing out here at this hour? Am I being detained? You're being questioned, and if I don't answer, you arrest me. I have arrested people for less. I was on a walk, officer. Premium. I was on a walk, premium. What does impasse mean?
Caught
didn't want to wash my hair today, so I just put it up in this little bun. Also, couldn't do too much with my eyes today because they keep watering like crazy. This eye driving me crazy. Love this lipstick I'm wearing. It's L'Oreal Pinky Paradise. It's so, or Pink Paradise. So beautiful. Right up my alley. Just doing laundry today. I have a meeting soon. I have to do some work stuff, but I wanted to check in with you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump into work right now. It's currently noon. I have a meeting in a couple of hours. So yeah, I actually have a lot to do today. I just got this package in the mail from Schwarzkopf. Little PR. This is so exciting. Reintroducing Osis, limitless self-expression and styling crafted your way. So we have bestsellers and new product. For bestsellers, we have a medium hold hairspray, extra strong mousse, mattifying volume powder, Thrill elastic fiber gum, anti-frizz shine serum, curl jam, definition gel, tipsy twirl, wave and curl enhancing jelly, and Bounty Balm rich curl cream. Super excited to try all of this out. I love trying new hair care, so I will start testing these out, and in a future video I'll do a little review video.
On his journey.
To me, that response was very rehearsed, in my opinion, you know, and they're telling her, you need to say this. I believe it was like for a very long time, like just sitting there, just going at it. Okay? His obsessions and obsessed.
It's currently 7 p.m. I'm really tired. I'm gonna take my makeup off, journal a little bit, smoke. I have a feeling it's gonna be one of those nights that I'm just gonna pass out. I'm exhausted. My allergies are killing me. I just took an Allegra, which I'm gonna have to take one every day this week for it to really like kick in and do its job, but I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go in with my micellar water. When I take my makeup off over on Instagram, I always get a ton of DMs, and people are like, you need to wash your face. You can't just use micellar water. And I'm like, I do. I'm just not showing that part. I feel like people fail to realize that what people show or share on social media is not like the only parts of their lives.
There are a lot of realities that are being lived in this physical time-space reality, and there are not two of you who are perceiving identically. So what humans are commonly doing with each other is that you yearn so much, you do. You yearn for someone to understand your perspective. And we want you to cut that out. You are training yourself away from your own guidance system. You're training yourself away from your own expansion. And the more life causes you to expand, and the more you train yourself away from that expansion, the more uncomfortable you feel. Produced by any other human. That isn't what you said.
Okay, now I'm gonna wash my face.
And I'll mix it up, and I will come to plenty in your vortex that lets you know.
Space traveling, what you doing? In my mind, you're so hard to find. Space travel.
Never use magic to clean up winter. It's traditional.
As my most recent football poll.
But welcome to the Chiefs. We got plenty of room on the bandwidth.
It's raining. I got this new lip liner on Amazon, and I love it so much. I've never heard of the brand. It's Peripera, and it's in the shade Milky Brown. And it is like the perfect, because I'm so fair, I have to be really careful with brown lip liners, and it was only $9. So if you've been on the hunt like me for a good brownie shade of lip liner, I'll leave it linked in the description box for you. So Aunt Flo is in town. I haven't vlogged this past week and I'm so mad because so much has happened. I wasn't really in the mood to vlog, so I'm kind of kicking myself now because I'm like, dang, there was so much that I could have shared. My cramps are so freaking bad. Like I feel like I'm being stabbed. Heavy day for me. I've been working and I just wanted to close this vlog out so I can start a fresh vlog, and I hope your new year is off to a good start. Valentine's Day is next. Do you guys have any plans? Are you celebrating? If you need a place to shop, I highly suggest funlove.com, or if you're in Arizona or Colorado, you can go in store. But that is your Valentine's Day destination, I promise. Use code stillglam20 for 20% off. I love Valentine's Day. I'm also like a hopeless romantic, so I like love this shit. In a couple days, Aunt Flo is gonna be out of town and I'm gonna feel like myself again. Fresh start to a new vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Food for the soul. Food for the soul.